Today I have a new and latest case. This is from SUPCASE. It is quite pretty heavy. Not sure if it's a dummy unit or something, but anyway, we're gonna open this up. By the way, I'd like to give a shout out to their marketing team for sending me this. So let's go ahead and open this up. So we got the two brand new cases from SUPCASE. These are the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This one's the 2020 Tab S7 11-inch UB Pro SP Black. And this all has been tested with the military drop test and everything. Multi-layer. And it is made in China. Also come with the instruction guide. You could also scan this instruction right here for the installation video. But you can watch over here too if you want. There's a stylus holder on the back. And then a camera cutout. There's your power button and then your volume up and down rocker. Microphone cutout right there. And your speaker grill cutout. This is a USB Type-C flap charging cover so the dirt doesn't get in there. You got this extra protruding corner, so in case you landed on the corner, you won't crack your display or make a big dent. And then there's another two more cutout for the speaker grill and the microphone. Got the SUPCASE debossed right there. And you got the carbon fiber looks over here. Got those four rubber non-slip feet right there. And you got the kickstand. So yeah, in order to remove the front cover, you want to pry out on the corner, it even has this arrow. There's like a little gap or groove. Pry downward. And once you crack it open, try to go around the side. And all around to lift it up. Because the rubber on the corner is making it stuck. So you need to separate this, the lip. And inside you got this plastic film that you need to peel it off. Okay. leave it there. So on the outside and on the inside, you need to peel those off. And then you got the honeycomb design in the backing, which is awesome. And this is the rubber TPU, which is gonna last for a long time. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out the other one, see what is it. And this one is the 2020 Tab S7 Plus, which is a 12.4 inch UB Pro SP Black, made in China. So it should be the similar, but just bigger. So I guess this one has a fingerprint scanner. That's why they come with this extra instruction. And then the hole up there is different compared to this one right here. There's also another sensor right there. I wonder if the starter is the same size. Yep, the starter is the same. Got the SUPCASE again. So this is only allow you to do a landscape. It's not gonna allow you to do the portrait mode. It's gonna fall down. And then to pry out, you do the same thing. Okay. Speaker grill cut out. USB Type-C charging port with the cover. Speaker, microphone, speaker. This one, the power button is different. Volume rocker, and then microphone again, right? Yeah, just with the fingerprint scanner right here, be sure to rub it down toward the screen when you try to install it. So you make sure it's smooth, not wrinkle or anything, so else you're not gonna read your fingerprint or unlock your tablets, alright? Anyway, I hope you guys give it a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.